Oh, malapit din. Kita ka.
The official candidates of the Magnum Opera 2010 with the reigning master, Mr. Kennedy Silva, Magnum Opera of 2009.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Kennedy Silva, Magnum Opera 2009. Please welcome our official candidate of Magnum Opera 2010 in their introduction number. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I'm Pierre Bayan, 17 years old, representing Barangay Sukat. Representing Barangay Sukat. Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Joseph Rosancia, 18 years old, representing Barangay Kanwan. Good evening. Please get into my fellow candidates. Get ready, consider I am Leo Miranda Yatay, 17 years old, representing Sukat.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Angelo Miguel Lawrence, 19 years old, and I'm proud to represent Sampalo. Good evening, everyone. I'm Isidro Torta, 16 years old, representing Barangay San Vicente.
Good evening to everyone. I'm Michelangelo Gibocola, 15 years old, representing Barangay Sampalo. Hi, I'm Rodrigo Flores, 16, from San Vicente. Good evening to all of you. I'm Eddie Martinia, representing Barangay San Vicente.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Ringo Anan, 18 years old, representing Barangay San Vicente. Good evening, everyone. I'm Edgar Ocampo, 18 years old, representing Barangay Sampalo.
Hi, I'm Sarah Culiano, 15 years old, representing Colgante.
Hi, I'm Martin Garcia, representing Barangay Sukat.
Ayon sa biyayang po kay Kongan, ako po yung Robert Camines, 21 anyos, nilibatan sa Barangay Kasinara.
Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Steve Santos, 16 years old, representing Barangay Kasinara. Good evening, everyone. I'm James Edward Silvestre, 16 years old, representing Barangay Sampalo. I would like to give you Mr. Jericho Torres and Mr. Adrian Bautista.
Mr. Alfred Pugula for the wonderful number of our candidates.